I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting the exact sheet and range you will clear. Click the Sheet tab, then select the area. Use the top left corner to select the whole sheet. Once done, make sure to save a copy or version so you can recover data if needed. You do this because selection determines what is removed. Clearing the wrong range is the fastest way to create work you must redo. Now move to the Clear options in the ribbon. You'll use the Home tab Clear menu to control exactly what goes away. Click Clear and pick contents to remove values but keep formatting, or Clear formats to preserve numbers while resetting appearance. Once done, remember that Delete on the keyboard removes cell values only. It does not remove formatting or comments. If you need to remove everything, choose Clear All. Also, use keyboard sequences like Alt-H-E to speed the process when you're working through multiple sheets. You finish by verifying the result and addressing problems. Scan the sheet and use Go to Special to find blanks or formulas so you confirm what cleared. If something went wrong, press Ctrl+Z right away to undo the clear. That's your fastest recovery. If undo isn't available, restore from the copy you saved in Step 1. Finally, make sure to lock critical ranges or create backups to prevent repeat mistakes and keep your workflow safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.